You're about to make this. This is a substitute for beef jerky. So this is a dehydrated chicken with spices. This is a good substitute for protein. If you can pack it for lunch, you can pack it in for a trip or hiking. So the first ingredient is chicken breast. So there's a 4 piece of boneless and skinless chicken breast. Then we have 4 shallots, peeled, and we have a whole bunch of kefir lamb leaves. So the more it is, the better the flavors. Then we have 15 grams of finely chopped garlic, so 15 grams of finely chopped Thai pepper. We have a teaspoon of the chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Chinese, the 5 spices, and a teaspoon of curry powder. Then we also have some dry Thai chili. This is gonna be your, this is gonna be sugar. So I'm using only 40 grams, so technically this is a teaspoon, just so that you might have to adjust it to your taste. Then I have 3 teaspoons of fish sauce, and then finely chopped shallot. This is about 15 or 2 cloves of shallots. I'm gonna put 4 shallots into the water. And then so we're gonna put our chicken breast in here. We're gonna boil it for 30 minutes low. So then all we have to do now is wait. So while we wait, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the kefir lamb leaves. So I'm just probably about 12 to 15 of them. Roll it up like these and just cut them finely. It's a citrusy, but it also smells like lemongrass in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a whole bunch of them in here. I'm gonna use the leftover leaves later on while we're putting the spices in the chicken. Okay, so that's all we need to do. Prepare a bowl of just regular water, and then I'm just going to put ice in here. So we're going to take the chicken off the stove and we will put it in the ice water. What this does is, 1, it stops the cooking process. 2, it will keep the chicken moist. You're going to let the chicken sit in the ice water for about 5 minutes. So it's completely cool down. Then what you're gonna do is just make sure you wear your gloves or wash your hands, and then you're gonna start shredding the chicken. I'm gonna add some oil. So this is about 3 teaspoons of oil. And you're gonna wait until it's hot. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my garlic. I'm gonna add them in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pepper as well. So you can adjust the pepper. Thai pepper are pretty spicy, so you can Just make sure it's brown. You can go ahead and add your kefir lamb's leaf. Just the one that you sliced them. The one that you sliced. So what you're going to do now, mix them all together. And this is my chili powder. And then I'm going to add my curry powder. I'm going to go ahead and add my paprika and the 5 spices. And you want to you're going to add your sugar. And then you're going to add your sauce, your fish sauce.
Whoa. The smell really pops after that.
Yeah, because now, remember the chicken that you shredded earlier?
Yeah.
Right here. I'm going to go ahead and transfer all of it in this here. And then the hardest, then you make sure you mix them well.
It really gets in your nose.
Yes. And
like,
when you
like
dry
a pepper.
it. Yes, because there's a lot of Thai pepper in here. So you're gonna smell a lot of spices and the pepper. And now you can add, remember those dry pepper? You can add them in there.
The whole pepper.
The whole pepper. You can break them up if you like, but you can also add the leftover kefir lambs. So it's gonna give
So you gotta give it a good mix first before you add that.
Yeah. And then you just kind of mix them up as well. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the oven. Preheat your oven at 300 degrees because we're going to dehydrate it using the oven. So now, like, everything is mixed and all the pepper, you really can smell, like, the spices. You're gonna go ahead and line your tray with a parchment paper. So we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken in here. Just make sure that it's gonna be spread evenly. And then yes, you're gonna you smell like it's tickling your nose because of all the spices and the pepper. Okay, so when it's, you just kind of spread it out, and we just put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 300 degrees. After 10 minutes, and if your chicken doesn't get, if you want it drier, you can go ahead and put it back in the oven again at the same temperature for another 10 minutes.